In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add or remove Drive application to the main page of the Files app on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to ensure that Drive app is installed on our iPhone. The easiest way to do so is just swipe down to bring up search and then search for Drive. If right here it shows us Drive app icon, then it definitely means that the app is installed on our device, and after that we can head over to the next step. On the next step, we need to open up Files app. If some another folder is open, then first off you need to tap right here at the top left corner all the time until you open up Browse page. It's kind of a home page for the Files app. Here, as you can see, I already have a Drive location added. And then to hide that location from here, first off we need to tap at these three dots, select Edit, and then I can easily hide it by turning on the switcher next to it. Then to apply the changes, just tap at Done. In the same way, we can add Drive app icon to our locations. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.